Hello! What's going on and what does it mean for you? What's going on is look at the earnings picture for third quarter 2022 and it's not good. What it means for you? Potential volatility here. Be careful. Why? Well, let's take a look at the numbers. If you look at the numbers, you will see that in third quarter, excluding energy, of course, because they're doing quite well, thank you very much. We were at 2.2% last year, we are minus 5.1%. So earnings are going down. Previous video I showed you, there's a strong relationship between that and the stock market, okay? If you look at a more detailed explanation over the first quarter of 2021 to the second quarter of 2023, passing by second quarter and third quarter of 2022, the picture is dropping. We have less and less and less earnings growth, excluding the energy. So the data doesn't lie. Let's be like the Fed and data dependent. Earnings are slowing. There's no two ways. Look, see, 2.2% in third quarter, minus 5.1% earnings growth. It is slowing down and the trend is down as well. What do you think is going to happen to stock prices? Follow me.